Okay. It's almost over. Okay, get your damn Dr. Pepper. I ain't even gotta explain it to you. I know you hoes all know. Like my loud ass neighbors woke up. Okay. Trisha Paytas shirt faux today. My stupid hair. I hate my stupid hair. We're doing Jackie makeup. Because I haunt the narrative. Bitch, I haunt you. My absence is felt. Don't mind the mess. Did you know I'm down in a hole? And they've put all the stones in their place. And I'm gonna try and make my face look like hers today, and it's gonna be scary, okay? It's gonna be frightful. It's gonna be like that bitch that turned herself into the chipmunk. Like, that's so bad. Oh my god, just straighten it, just straighten it, just straighten it. No, but you're lazy. I look like a dude. Can I tell y'all that the hauntings have gotten worse? My dad, who like never ever talks about that stuff unless like something actually happens to him, he was like, Bianca, I think you actually conjured a spirit in here. And I think I did with my damn book, y'all. Speak of the devil and the devil comes, am I right? A lot of y'all, not a lot, some of y'all were saying I used religion for profit. Where were you? 2, I didn't get no fucking money when I prayed every night because of AP seminar. That's what started me praying, bitch, was AP seminar. It had me praying on the damn rosary to the Virgin Mary. Give me some mercy. Give me some mercy. Let me see this through. You know in Rooster where he's like, what are the lyrics? Listen to Rooster by Alice in Chains and do my homework assignments. Like, it felt like middle school. See, Jackie doesn't even have straight hair. I look like fucking Lottie. Oh, let me tell you one thing. So this ring light, this Dixie D'Amelio ring light that I broke, well, it's being used. Yes, the Dixie D'Amelio ring light is being used as a mouthpiece for a demon. Yes, it is. Okay. So it changed colors, right? It usually just turns on without me turning it on. And it turned on. I was like, okay, change the color. Change the color. I bet you won't change the color. Da, 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 right? Would you like to know? Would you like to guess what it did? It changed to the color red. It started strobing every color. Not stroking, strobing. Stroking is good. Strobing is bad. Then I was sitting in the kitchen. I sat on the floor for about like an hour, okay, in the kitchen on my phone. And a hand towel, you know the difference when something falls off the counter and when something is thrown off the counter. You just know when it happens. Oh, using my dollar store BB cream, you just know the damn difference. And this hand towel literally went like up and over and landed right in front of me. Chase misprinted lies. We chase misprinted lies. Last night, I cried to Piano Man. What did you do? It's getting close to that time of the month when I cry over Vietnam War soldiers and JFK. I love you, Nikki. Yeah. It's getting close. I don't know what about my period makes me so damn patriotic. Is in the Navy and will probably be for the rest of his life. Y'all are going to freak out. Just trust the process. It worked last night. Still, I believe this is killing me. As a smile went away from his face, he said, I believe I could be a movie star. If only I could get out of this place. End of the hall, where I sit and stare at the wall. Watching how lonely I've grown all alone in my room. I want Skeet Ulrich.
My pussy.
But he's with a woman. I mean, like I'm a man. Okay. He's with a blonde woman, okay? And I just can't beat that out. I cannot be expected to. Oh, what's sadder than a life never lived? A life lived with the potential that was cut too short. Thank you for asking.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Okay, no, it's not. No. Is it patchy? Yeah. Are we moving on? Absolutely. My dollar store contour with my dollar store BB cream. That's why I look like this. I've told you. A man clocked me. He was like, maybe you wouldn't have to reapply your makeup so much if it wasn't so cheap. And he has a whole girlfriend. And he wasn't playing. He was being rude. Okay? Like, I don't got friends like that. I'm tired. Oh, I have to tell you my dream last night, bro. Let me tell you this damn dream I had last night. So, y'all remember how literally the last video that I told y'all I was vulnerable and I trusted y'all and I told y'all about my reoccurring nightmares? I had another nightmare. For some reason, I was in it's actually like, it's crazy because I was like aware, right? I'm always aware during these dreams, only these dreams, and I don't wake up because they've happened so many times. I know exactly what's gonna happen. Kind of compare it to, you know how in Sydney and Scream, how she's like kind of less and less scared every movie because she knows exactly what's gonna happen. It's me. I'm like the final girl in my head. And I'm like, oh, okay, so we gotta cover these windows. We gotta like just work. Like we gotta get this done before he gets here, right? I was in like a cabin. Oh, Yellow Jackets. But I was a Pretty Little Liars girl. It was an episode of Pretty Little Liars. And you know what I thought in my head? I said, oh, I'll be able to find this episode of Pretty Little Liars later so I can show them exactly how my dreams lay out. I was like, this is crazy. This episode of Pretty Little Liars is exactly like all my dreams. But I was literally in the episode, but I was also like, oh, I'll show them this later. Like, y'all, I was thinking of y'all in my dream. Just trust me. Said Bill, I believe this is killing me. As a smile ran away from his face. I saw someone say that God will never give you someone else's husband. Can you stop? I'm using my elf lip liner. Elf lip liners are the best lip liners on the damn market. They're $2. No, seriously, I'm down in a hole. And they've put all the stones in their place. Like, down in a hole and I don't know. This was after she was like stuck in the wilderness, okay? Me and Gabriel were experiencing, what's it called? I'm forgetting my abnormal psychology. Mass psychosis, but it was just between two. We were having a little Mariners complex moment. Both convinced each other that like, we entered a different timeline. He got his drinks for free. A car was driving backwards down the street, and our neighbor had a porch that wasn't there before. Down in a hole. Too Faced palette, bro. You know it's like the only thing we use here, bro. Bianca, which Yellow Jacket's character are you? Misty. Thanks for asking. So it looked so much better last night. The girls at school called me stupid for wanting to be a YouTuber, and here I am, dressing myself as a corpse. Okay, this is important, okay? So the Jackie look. Now, I thought... Okay. Oh, that's another story I had to tell. So I was reading a prayer for my book, right? And this light turned on before I could finish the prayer. Would you like to know what the prayer was? 54:17. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. And the light was like, hold up. So I'm gonna take, okay, this probably expired NYX cinnamon roll. This is the reformulated ones. This Perfect Nude color by L'Oreal was going to be the perfect lipstick for Jackie. I thought it was going to be a perfect match, but it really didn't go with the rest of the face, as literally the rest of my face is painted brown. Putting this underneath, yeah, see, way more dead now. Taking my Family Dollar bronzer. It's supposed to be a bronzer, but it's literally just a highlighter. I don't know anybody who's this pale. I can't really be a girl that haunts the narrative because I like being a final girl too much. I'm trying to...
My name is Patrick Bateman. I'm 27 years old. I believe in taking care of myself, in a balanced diet and a rigorous exercise routine. In the morning, if my face is...
Yeah, so this is my little Jackie look. It's all basically browns and naturals and nudes. I love whoever did her makeup. It's just done so delicately. You know I can't do that. You know I can't do that. Also, Jackie looks exactly like Holly Madison. I really want the title to be like the quote from Yellow Jackets where she's like, "You made all of us jealous one last time, you get to be dead," but I think that's too long. Yeah. Okay, bye. Like the video, but I wouldn't subscribe, but I wouldn't dislike this video because I know I sure did. Bye, 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 bye.